All right, today we have a special treat. I have my companion bundle from Bargain Bead Box with a couple of extras. I had to get more of those elephants and some more of this really cool bead mix. We'll put those off to the side. And let's dive into the companion bundle, which is gorgeous. So many pretty things to look at, and we're just gonna do them one by one, no particular order, and then we're gonna create something with these gorgeous beads. Let's start off here with this 6mm African turquoise jasper, faceted cube beads, 7-inch strand, and it retails for $7.99. Look at those colors. Earth tone glory. Love it. I especially like this right here, the brown and that green, so pretty. Next we have some Z-style agate crackled round beads on a 7-inch strand, retails for $7.99. Oh, these are really cool too. So these are kind of similar to the ones that we got in the main bundle, but instead of being black and white, they're like a brown, caramel, and black. They have a crackled texture to them, so it gives them like this weathered look, which is really cool. Next, we have a 30mm Z-style agate barrel bead in a dark brown, which retails for $3.99. And oh my goodness, can you see the pattern? That is super cool. I love that. Next, we have this really cool 40mm leopard skin jasper leaf pendant. And it's really kind of funny because I ordered another one from Sam's Bead Shop, so now I have two. But look at the pattern on this one. Did you want to come in and do some commentary with me?
What's that?
Here, let's hook you up. We'll be right back. All right, we have a special guest, and his name is Little J, and he is going to help us describe the beads that we are looking at. So this is a jasper leaf. What do you think about this one?
Good.
It's good? What makes it so good?
Because I like the detail and the colors.
You like the detail and the colors?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. There's a lot of different greens and yellows. What other colors are in there? Do you see another color besides green and yellow?
Like a brownish tan.
A brownish tan. Excellent. Next we have 6 pieces of synthetic magnesite speckled leopard beads. What do you think these look like?
I think they look like
leopard skins look like what animal?
a leopard.
Oh, look at those. Hold one and tell me what it looks like.
It looks like a picture of a leopard.
Yep. These are really pretty leopard faces. You pick. Which one do we do next?
Let's do this one.
This one? These are 30 pieces of 6mm crystal faceted cube beads in a safari mix. And let's put these in a tray, but look at the shine on those. Holy smokes.
Ooh.
Where is my tray at? And then you can take a look at them and see how sparkly they are. Aren't those gorgeous? Look at those. And you get 30 pieces.
Jeez.
I know, right?
This one.
All right, that's a good choice. These are 4 pieces of 9 by 11 millimeter carved shell elephant beads.
Ooh.
Ooh is right. Now these are super shiny and they have the cutest little eyes and they are the cutest little elephants. Look at those. We could definitely do something with those. What do you think would be better, an earring or a bracelet?
Which one would you think?
I think I would like them as earrings. What are these? These are 20 grams of glass rondelle beads in white Picasso. So let's grab another stack of trays and we can put this in there. Look at all those.
Oh my.
They gave us a lot, didn't they? What color would you say that is?
I would say this one, a brownish.
It's got like a brownish wash on it and it's like a white bead, almost giving you like a bone. What do you think about that?
That sounds weird.
That sounds weird, huh? Pick the next one.
Put the little tiny.
You're gonna put them in the tray? All right, well, you do that and do it carefully. I'm gonna talk about this one right here.
Okay.
This one is an 8 millimeter leopard skin jasper matte round on a 15-inch strand, and it retails for $7.99. And look at the patterns on that. Wow, I like those. What do you think about these?
Ooh.
Pretty? All right, let me see what you got there. This one is getting beads all over the place. 100 pieces.
Oh my.
100 pieces of 3.5 by 2.5 faceted cube spacer beads, lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. Retails for $2.49. Here, this is an 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia leopard hook and eye clasp. And it retails for $5.99. And look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that, Jay.
Wow.
Ooh. So here is that detail on that. Very pretty. And it's like it's got its teeth around the tail.
Ooh.
6 millimeter zebra jasper round beads, 7 inches, that retails for $3.99. So that's really cute. That's actually like my favorite size of bead is the 6 millimeter. All right, these are 8 by 6 millimeter leopard skin jasper cylinder beads on a 7.5-inch strand that retails for $5.99, and I can already tell you that these are my favorite. Look at how cool the orbicular formations are, the coloring. Really, really cool. I love those. These are 2 pieces of 12 millimeter foiled lampwork glass beads, glow in the dark accents.
Oh, so it's a glow in the dark.
And look at those. Look at that gold foil.
Ooh.
It's got some rainbow effect in there. Those are really cool. That would make a really cool bracelet or a really cool pair of earrings. This is a 27 by 24 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia enameled leopard pendant that retails for $5.99. That looks really cool. What do you think about this one?
Ooh.
Nice and shiny. Next we have, oh, I love these. 10 by 8 millimeter glass leaf beads in a jonquil AB. I'm not quite sure how to say that, but you get an 11-inch strand of these really gorgeous AB coated leaf beads. Those are amazing. Do you see the rainbow?
Ooh.
These are this one right here. You get 8 pieces of 12.5 by 8mm faceted black onyx oval beads that retails for $3.99. Those are cool. These are 20 pieces of 6mm patterned barrel beads, lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. And you can see the really cool ornate details on those. Those are cool. What are those? Those are 6 by 4mm glass barrel beads in jet black. And you get a 15-inch strand, so that's a super long strand, and it retails for $1.99. And can you put those ones in a tray?
These ones.
Next we have, oh, these are so cute.
What?
Wait till you see these. Look at those.
Aww.
These are 2 pieces of 7 by 12mm 18 karat gold plated brass leopard charms, lead free and cadmium free, $2.99. Those are adorable. I have an idea for those already. And finally, our last pieces. These are 2 pieces of 25mm leopard skin jasper oval go-go donut pendants. Can you eat these donuts?
No.
No?
Look at them. They're like moldy.
They're moldy. That's because they have some green, some cream color, there's some orange in there. They are pretty stones though, right? All right. Where'd put them in there? Our little
they're standing.
Oh, that's funny.
I want to show them.
Here, put them on right here and show them how they stand up. 1. They stand up. Let me see if I can do them up in the camera. Ta-da! All right, let's make something with this awesome companion bundle. We'll be right back. All right, so I have a strand of, we're gonna use the Flex-Rite 49 strand clear beading wire. And I want you to go ahead and start stringing your beads however you want to. And while you're doing that, I'm going to make a bracelet as well. Oh, and he wants to use some of these leaves. Let me get some of those in a pile. All right, while he works on those, you can put some on the bead mat like this.
Ooh.
And then you can find the hole and then put them on there. I am going to use these black barrel beads, actually these black barrel beads, a leopard face, and I really want to use the Z beads and some of the bony beads. So I'm going to actually put my leopard face on first. What are you doing?
I'm doing blue face and orange face and a light red and then like a tannish and then like this kind of reddish.
That's like a ruby red.
Like a ruby.
Okay.
The ruby goes last.
Okay.
We call it ruby.
I'm going to get some of these gold beads and put it on either side of my leopard.
I want to do a charm like this one.
No, that's for a necklace. We're making bracelets right now, but we can make one later.
Oh yeah, I want to do one later.
Okay, I'm going to put the Z beads on. And I like the way that looks with that leopard charm. That is really cool.
I'm gonna kind of use like a little tiny gold.
You can dump them out.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Not a whole bunch, just a little bit at a time. There you go. We're going to make our bracelets until they fit. I think yours will be a little bit shorter, so it'll probably be like a 5-inch, but we'll have to measure. and mine will be 6.5. So I put 2 of those bony beads on there, and then I'm going to put another 2 of these Z beads. I really like these. They almost remind me of like leather. So there's that. You want to hold up what you got so far? Put it
So far, I got this.
Okay. So you got teal, orange, red, the tan, the ruby, teal, orange, and now you're putting on some gold ones. Those are really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use some gold ones too to finish out my pattern. And then I'm going to use a different bead. So I put the gold ones on each side, and now I want to do 2 of these really cool black barrel beads.
And I will be right back when I am done with my beads.
Okay. I really like black and gold together. I think it's very classy.
Me too.
Yeah. It reminds me of New Year's Eve because those are the colors that people like to wear for celebration.
Oh, yeah.
So there's that. And then I think I'm going to just finish the rest of the bracelet with these Z beads and the bony beads. You came up with a good name calling them bony beads. I like that.
Because they look like the bonies.
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite color of bead?
My favorite color of bead?
Mm-hmm.
I like this kind of leaf.
Oh, you like the A bead?
Because it's like shiny when it's in the light.
Yes, it sure is. I think that's really, really pretty.
I'm pretty good at making bracelets.
Yeah?
Because one time I used to make a lot of them.
Yeah. Did you make some when you were in school?
Sometimes.
Yeah?
And I did really good.
Awesome. All right, so my bracelet is done. All I have to do now is close it off. I have it at 6.5 inches, which is my sweet spot. So what I'm going to do is we need some wire guards. And I'm going to use the gold ones. We've got our bracelet all together. I just want to make sure that it's a good fluid moving bracelet. It looks good to me. What about to you?
Mine. Yes, it does. This is my bracelet.
I see that. We're going to measure it on your wrist in just a second.
Okay.
Oops. All right, we're going to get in there with our flush cutters. And here is Mama's. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a magnetic clasp on that, but we'll do that after. Let me see yours, and let me see your wrist. All right, so we're going to finish off his bracelet. I'm going to get...
My bracelet.
Yes, that's what I said, your bracelet.
You were talking about theirs. Yours.
All right, so we are going to get 2 of our stopper beads. We need 2 of our wire guards, like this. 1 and 2. All right, so this is Little Jay's bracelet. Everything that he wanted to put on it. We're going to close it off with some magnetic clasp, and we will do that off camera. What do you want to say to everybody?
Hi.
Hi and bye.
Hi, bye.
This was the bracelet that I put together using that leopard bead for the focal point and those really pretty Z beads. We've got a bony bead that needs to have this wire tucked into it right there. Ta-da! I really appreciate y'all being here for Little Jay and me making our bracelets. We had a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed watching. So until the next time, put your hands in.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.